If you're a director or person with significant control, PSC, it's now a legal requirement to verify your identity with Companies House. Once you've verified, you'll receive a Companies House personal code, an 11-character code that is unique to you. If you verified your identity using gov.uk One Login, your personal code is saved in your Companies House account, in the Manage Account section. If you verified using an Authorised Corporate Service Provider, ACSP, your personal code will be emailed to the email address they provided for you. To make sure you can access the code whenever you need to, we recommend that you save it to a Companies House account. To save your personal code, sign into your Companies House account or create sign-in details using the same email address we sent your personal code to. Then, to confirm you have verified your identity, you'll need to enter your personal code and your date of birth. To complete your verification requirements, you must link your verified identity to each company role using your personal code. You may share your personal code with someone you trust, such as an accountant, to file on your behalf. As a director, you'll need to provide your personal code as part of your company's next confirmation statement. If you're a director of more than one company, you'll need to do this for each one. If you're registering a new company, you'll be asked to provide the personal code for each director as part of the registration filing. PSCs must also provide their Companies House personal code. The 14-day period for doing this depends on your situation. You can check the dates of your 14-day period on the Companies House register. Once your 14-day period is open, you should provide your code to us using the Provide Identity Verification Details for a Person with Significant Control (PSC) service. When you enter your personal code, make sure all your details are correct and match the Companies House records. If your date of birth doesn't match, you must check your verification details and Companies House records and correct any errors. You'll need to wait for the changes to be processed before you provide us with your personal code. Search gov.uk for guidance on correcting your date of birth with Companies House. If your details don't match and you verified using an ACSP, you'll need to contact them directly. They may need to update the verification details they provided for you. Start your verification journey today.